All right, I'm here working on the gas tank again. I have the piece that I bought. I don't know if I took a picture of it earlier. It's a little tool that comes through the inside of the gas tank, and it pulls in here where the metal threads used to be for the original gas tank. And this is the fuel filter that will then go in through it and screw in, and it should tighten it all up so that everything's good. If I can get this through here, I can then pour a bunch of water in here and see if it leaks or not. But right now, not really sure how to get this through here. So what I have to do now is I have to try to get this to go down here, not fall off, not have the bolt in the thing fall off, and still get through here. And I'm using some tape to hold it because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see if we can make this happen. It needs to go this way. Oh shit, I don't know if this is gonna hold or not. Try to go as slow as I can. I'm gonna have to drop it though at some point. Please don't fall off. Please don't fall off. Almost at 12 o'clock. First I need to get it where it's right here. Let's tape off. Tighten it back up again. Just going to take my time to make sure I don't mess up the gas tank. If I break the gas tank, that's not cool. Just really worried about breaking the gas tank. Alright. So I need to go a ½ inch. I was already worried about the crack that broke again. I have more of the epoxy. It was more just for a leak thing. I just want to make sure I had enough epoxy there for the leak. So I'm going to pour a little bit further. We're almost there. Okay, I think we got it done as good as it's going to get right here. Pulled it all the way through as far as I want to go without anything else breaking. That one little piece I epoxied, it cracked again. So I'm just going to refill that all again. And then put my a little band around it before I try to put it on. Everything should work fine because most of the seal is right here anyway, so I'll get that all filled in. And everything should screw in now because all the seal is actually right here. And now this is, see there's the, now it seals right in. The seal is actually right here where this comes together like that when it's all nice and tight. Perfect. I think we're gonna be good. Now the next fun part is I'm gonna use my grabber tool to hopefully pull the bolt and the washer back out. Hopefully I can get it and pull it back out through the hole. Got enough light I can see it.
You got it.
Can I get it out through the hole? Yes I can, yes I can. And that was easy. Boom. One thing that went right. Yeah.
Start.
Alright, so basically I'm going to use my marine weld, redo this again, and I think I'm just going to put this right on afterwards and tighten it down and hold it nice and solid around this, and we should be good. Yeah, that's good. That's as good as that gets. And I'm going to put a little bit more marine weld here on the back. Yeah, that's it for the gas tank for now. So hopefully we're done with the gas tank.